brought to you by Ashok, Praveen, Shravan Kalyan, Praveen Prakash, Gangadhar. Our art integrated work is explaining sorting with the example of daily morning scenario. In morning assembly, class leader had his duty to arrange the students in height-wise ascending order. He had to do that in less time and with less number of steps. After thinking for some time, he started the process. He compared two members from front side. If they were in correct order, like the short boy in front and taller fellow on back, he ignored them and he moved on to the next pair. If they were in wrong order, he swapped them. Then the shorter one came front and taller fellow went back. Like this he checked pair by pair. If they were in correct order, he ignored them. If they were in wrong order, he swapped them. Like this he went up to the end of the line. He observed that they did not come into ascending order, but the tallest person came to the correct position. Then he repeated the same thing again and again, up to the last second one. Like this he compared 4 students, 1, 2, 3 and 4, and swapped them. Then he noticed that the second last boy came to the correct position, that is 4th position. Likewise, he again repeated the same steps up to 3rd last position. Then the student number 3 came into correct position and he repeated this for 4th last boy. They also came into correct position. By doing this repeatedly, the entire line came into ascending order. On the other day, the class leader again had his duty to arrange the students in ascending order. This time he went with different approach. For example, he started picking up second person. If he is shorter than first one, he comes to first position. Otherwise, he had to stay there. Similarly, he picks the third one and checks whether he had to come to first position or in between second and first position, or stay wherever he is. If third one is less than first one, then third one should come to first position. If he picks the fourth one and checks similarly whether he had to come to first, second, third, or in between them, or he should stay there. This process is like picking up someone and comparing him with the students from front side, and at the condition when the front one is shorter than him and the person behind him is longer than him, then he inserts him into that position. That's why it is called insertion sort. As like in bubble sort, the right side of line gets sorted first, whereas in insertion sort, the left part of the line will be sorted first. Thank you and have a nice day. Created by Ashok. Content provided by Praveen and Shravan Kalyan. Edited by Praveen Prakash and Gangadhar.